Crazy, guys. You want to check this one out. I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. And here, once you first open the application, it may look like a TikTok. You can pretty much scroll. These are crazy features, guys. You can scroll and look for the series that you want. As you can see here, I'm just scrolling through and I can see a bunch of drama clips, which you can see. The most interesting part I'm gonna show you, as you can see here, I'm scrolling, and yeah, that's really pretty much all you use the application. Very easy. And down here you may see the episodes option. As you can see here, tap on the option down here. You can tap on the all episodes. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see all the episodes. You don't have any subscription, you don't have any ads for this drama application here. All series are completely free. I don't know if it's gonna change in the future, but for now, time of release, it's completely free. So here you have the next option here. You can tap on the next option here to pretty much start watching the drama clip. As you can see here, and I'll be starting our first episode. As you can see, I have a lot of different episodes which you can watch. So very easy application to use. And yeah, if I miss anything at all in this tutorial, just comment below and let me know and see if I can help you guys. See you in the next one.